How to buy MMUSK token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token now it's available on the screener and it created 2 hours ago and it increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. So this token is trending #1 in Solana section on the screen, as you can see here, guys. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under the Solana. So you're gonna open your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Log into your wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, of course. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it. And now as you can see, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, click the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MMUSK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.